Do you want to make toast, but it's too stupid to do it? I'm gonna teach you how to do it. So you're gonna need bread. You're gonna need a toaster. You are going to need butter, a knife, and a plate. You're gonna need to grab 2 pieces of toast and not that little end part because that's disgusting. Put it in the toaster so it can like toast. Make sure you pat it down. Pull on this little knob thingy until it's good. Press down on the little toasty thing so it can cook. And then you have toast. But you need to butter the toast or else it tastes like nothing. And you don't like the taste of nothing. No one does. Make sure you put it on evenly so it's not horribly done. And put it down. And then the toast is buttered and you can eat it. And that's how you make not bad toast. Congratulations.